The most unexpected item in my bag is hi, I'm Cree. Are you ready to spill it? So this bag is a Tumi backpack. It's a pretty popular luggage brand, but they have really cute backpacks. I prefer a backpack to a purse, because you never know when you're gonna need to, you don't know. I love it. This was actually a birthday gift from my very sweet mommy. On top of just being a very cute backpack, which can also be a purse, they also can put your name on it. So mine says Kiki, which is my family nickname. I love it and excited to show you what's inside. I feel like I'm an organized bag person in theory, but it tends to get to a point eventually after however many months of not going through it that it's a little bit of a disaster. But then that's so fun because you can clean it out and find all the treasures you forgot about. So I don't think I would change that. All right, let's get into the bag. Let's see what we got. So first up, classic staple headphones. I use Beats. I keep it classic. I cannot wear smaller in-ear headphones because I have very small ears. So I look like a DJ a lot of the time, but that's chill and I don't mind. What else? Wet wipes, antibacterial. Need I say more? Let's keep it classy. Also, portable phone charger. I am a responsible person who charges her phone all night long, and my phone is dead constantly. As I say this out loud, I wonder if it's a problem with my phone. It's also a great friend flex for somebody to be like, oh my God, my phone's dead, I don't know what to do, and say, baby, right here, I got you. Little medicine container, little pill container. I have a lot of allergies, so Tylenol, Claritin, Imodium, if you know, you know. And I like to keep that organized always. I guess while we're on the subject of allergies, EpiPens, 2 at all times. It is a medical necessity. Every bag, every set, everywhere you go, there's a cute little back pocket of every backpack I've ever had where I can slide them in. And then also in that back pocket and kept safely and never taken anywhere it's not supposed to be is mace. Let's be real. It's not a cute thing to have, but just to be safe, Again, I responsibly and know how to use it correctly and don't take it anywhere it's not supposed to be. Next up, another classic. Anywhere you go, you're out at a restaurant, you're about to eat some French fries, just throw a little bit on there. Just be extra safe, you know what I mean? Why risk it? That's what I say. Also, a little toothbrush and a little toothpaste. And this is something that I really started doing on set. You know, you're eating, you're in people's faces, maybe you have an on-screen smooch. It's really helpful to have toothbrush and toothpaste, and now I bring it with me everywhere because why not? Oh, I love this one. These are Ray-Bans. These are vintage Ray-Bans from the 90s, and they're vintage from my mother. The 90s were a hot time for a lot of people. My mom was super hot in the 90s. Yours probably was too. And some of my best accessories, including this necklace that I'm wearing right now, are from my mother from the 90s. So, shout out Lori. Oh, I don't know about you, but at the bottom of every bag I have in rotation at any time is a smushed up granola bar for emergencies. Like a nice gluten-free granola bar like this, it's hard to come by. Also, extra pair of hoops. So I have the pair that I'm wearing, and then I have a spare. These are Jennifer Fisher, New York, Latina mother, classic. I love my hoops. You never know. So yeah, you gotta have extras just in case. I normally have extra rings as well. I like to wear a lot of rings. I like to stack them. It's nice to have extras because maybe you enter an event where suddenly you're feeling like you need a little bit more sparkle. Then you throw them on. Nice to have extras. Oh, okay, I love this one. So this is very special, but this was a gift from the set of Turtles All the Way Down. Our lovely, lovely makeup department gave these out to everyone. I don't know why, but they did. And what I love about mine is that it's personalized, so they polished the nails the exact color that I had my nails polished on set. And then also they drew on my tattoo, and this is done with love what I'm about to do, but this is my tattoo. It's a nice reminder of just what our everyday routine was like. Anyway, so I do keep this in my bag, and it always makes me smile. Ooh, makeup. Okay, so lip gloss. I love the lip bar. I love their lip gloss. It's so smooth and it's not sticky. Lip gloss is like controversial sometimes because you have to be in the right environment if you're gonna be dancing, if you're gonna be moving, if it's windy, that's a hazard. But if you're just vibing and you're just looking hot, solid lip gloss can really change everything, can really make a difference. Also for lips, Vaseline, keep it classic. I just have a little tub, keep the lips moisturized, especially if you're traveling. And then I also have something for the cheeks and something for the eyes. Right now it's a blush, and an eyeliner. They're both Luna Magic, this brand that I just found recently. Their stuff is so cute. In a case of an emergency, an eyeliner emergency, you need the extra one. And then also a blush, just throw on a little color at the end of the night. If the controversy is gonna be, how does she do it without a brush? The answer is just like this. You know, just dab it on like that and you're good and you're set. Okay, the most unexpected thing in my bag is just this. It's just baby wipes. And I have no shame about this. You should be more prepared than the least prepared bathroom in your vicinity. You never know, and a girl's gotta be prepared. Better safe than sorry, and I will not be ashamed. I think that's everything. Okay, so this is it. This is me. This is my life out here on this table. It's not super glamorous, but I'm proud of it. I think it's functional, and I'm glad that I got to share that with you today. I hope you learned something? You probably didn't, but I hope you maybe giggled a little. Okay, that's everything in my bag. Thank you so much for watching. To watch more videos like this, subscribe here.